Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will tell you how to make a reflection of a photo. At the end of this video you will be able to create this reflection yourself. Let's start. First of all, you need to open one picture. Select crop tool from here. Crop the picture. And then press enter from the keyboard. Come to image, canvas size, select percent from here, height 200, click here and select OK. Now select rectangular multi-tool, select this area, edit, copy, edit, paste. Press Ctrl T from the keyboard and do it like this. Press enter from the keyboard. Filter, blur, motion blur, bring it here. Set this properly and click on OK. Press Ctrl T and make it clear.